Hi guys, so today we are cooking PlayStation. So this is my entire kitchen, I think, and let's turn on. So what do you want, guys? So ayusin na naman natin to kasi ginuto ng pinsan ko. So let's go. Bro! I need to. So this is the refrigerator you didn't see. So let's go open this. Wow. Let's put this and close it, but not too good. Gonna place the eggs. After that, so guys, I'm just adjusting you from here because you cannot see my entire doing here. So yan, so that guys, you can see now entirely. So first, ayun na. Ito yung ayos natin mga foods. Because wala sila paglalagyan, kawawa naman. Rubbish. Ring folding. What the hell? Oh, it turned off. Kala ko kung ano na eh. So, saan ba ito nakakonect? Nakalimutan ko. Ba. Toys. Kuha ka. Dito. Ayan, naayos ko na din. Tara na. So, we gonna cook 412. You're hungry? I don't know how to cook. So what do you like? I'm placing all the... What do you want? Ano ba? You want lemon? Sure. You can see, Oh. Here's the lemon, and I will get some to cook for you. Uh-oh. I'm so sorry to hear that. So here's a bowl, and I'm gonna clean it for you. First, we're gonna clean. Where's the scrubbing material? I forgot. Where is it? Oh, here. Done. We're gonna place here. Then put the lemons. Then spread some salt. I mean this. And boiling for just 2 minutes. So after that, we're gonna get chili. And then we're gonna cut it half. Then spicy for you, baby girl. Here is it. So this is our toppings to this. We're gonna need a strainer here, but this, I think it's not. So let's go to the refrigerator and place it there. And let's cook an egg. You want to cook an egg? Let's go. First, add this. And oh, now it's already like this. So let's cook it. Then after that, we drain the oil and get some plates for you. And get the egg. And this is for you. I'm gonna place here for you lang. Then here's the, wait, it's hot. Okay, let's go. Oh, lemon. So after that, we're gonna need lettuce. Yep, lettuce. So by grabbing in the ref or refrigerator, I got this. So let's go to cook it. So we're gonna need just, oh, ready. Next, we need a this, but Wait, we need the olive oil. And some seasoning again. After that, let's pick a fresh tomato here. And by doing that, let's put it in carrot. And finally, we're gonna get a Leica burger. So let's place it and cook it. So it's like seconds to cook. Oh, it's already cooked. It's hot. Wow, so delicious. Oh, I'm sorry. So here's your food. I'm gonna give you your food. Taste it. Here's your food. Yum 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 yum. That's all. Goodbye. See you for part 2. Please subscribe and like.